Hi guys, to solve this question we need to find the derivative of x with respect to t, x and y with respect to t. So let's begin. Dx by dt, the derivative of x with respect to t. Let's the derivative of cos is sin t plus a is a constant, and guys we need to use product rule in this. As you can see, this is the product rule, and we use it when we need to find the derivative of product of two functions. So in this, t is one function and sin t is the next function. So the derivative of t will be 1. So let me write it down first. Derivative of dt with respect to t, and then into sin t plus then derivative of sin t with respect to t into t. Okay, so it is dx by dt is equal to minus a sin t plus a d, this will be 1 into sin t plus the derivative of sin is cos t into t. So this is okay. Let me write one more step. We'll take a as common again. Okay guys, as you can see, before we take this term and this term is same, right? It is a plus minus sin t, so we'll cancel it. So it will be at cos t. So now to find the second derivative of x with respect to t, we'll differentiate the above statement again with respect to t. So left side it is this, and right side again we will be using the product rule as I mentioned earlier. So it will be differentiation of t with respect to t into cos t plus differentiation of cos t guys with respect to t into t. So will be a cos t plus differentiation of cos is minus sin t into t. This is our second derivative guys. We'll mark it as 1. So guys, let's continue with finding the derivative of y now with respect to t. So a derivative of sin is cos t minus a into, we are using the product rule again, into cos t plus derivative of cos t with respect to t into t. dy by dt will thus be a cos t minus derivative of cos is guys minus sin, right? So it will be minus, okay. We are getting the first term first, right? We will write the first term 1 into cos t plus derivative of cos is minus sin t, right, into t. So dy by dt a cos t minus a cos t minus plus a t sin t. Okay, Guys, so this and this will be cancelled. So this one dy by dt is at sin t. Now we need to find the second derivative also, right? So let's continue. So we are differentiating on both sides with respect to t, dy by dt. At sin t. So guys, again we need to use the product rule. So it will be a, as a constant we are keeping it outside, okay. Derivative of t will be 1 into sin t plus the derivative of sin t into t. So guys, continuing, this is what we got for d square by dt square. So, and we got d square x as a common cos t minus t sin t, okay. So, and we need to find this, right, with respect to second derivative of y with respect to x, right. So that will be second derivative of y with respect to t into, oh, it will be it will be, one sec, don't mind me, divided by, guys, divided by square by dt square, okay. So that will be a sin t plus t cos t divided by a, we are just writing down the values, by sin t. So cancelling a, we got the value as sin t plus t cos t divided by cos t minus t sin t. That's the answer, guys. Thank you.